Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix error code 4932 in Battlefront 2. First, try restarting your game completely. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches that might be causing the error. After that, restart your gaming platform, whether it's your PC or console. A full system refresh can clear up many underlying issues, giving you a fresh start and potentially resolving the problem quickly. Don't forget to check your internet connection too. Next, let's focus on your network connection. Ensure your internet is stable and working correctly. A quick way to do this is by restarting your router and modem. Unplug them for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection. This can eliminate wireless interference and provide a more stable link, which is crucial for online gaming and preventing connection errors. Now, let's look at game and platform-specific solutions. Verify the integrity of your game files through your game launcher. This checks for any corrupted or missing data. Also, make sure both Battlefront 2 and your gaming platform are fully updated to their latest versions. Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Finally, try clearing your platform's cache, as accumulated temporary files can occasionally lead to unexpected errors. If the error persists, consider checking your firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, these security programs can mistakenly block game connections. Temporarily disabling them for a few minutes to test can help identify if they are the culprit. If all else fails, reach out to EA support directly. They have specialized tools and knowledge to assist with persistent issues. Also, check official Battlefront 2 forums for community solutions or widespread reports of this error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.